Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi TV 4S and I'll show you how you can cast your Android smartphone screen to your TV. So at the first you have to reach for the settings icon in the right upper corner. And next you have to be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I'm connected right now. And the same you have to make on your Android phone, so you have to be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I'm also connected right here. And you have to be connected to the same network on your smartphone and on your TV. As you can see, I'm connected to HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network on the both devices. Right now, when you make it, you can simply open notification panel on your phone and you will find this screencast icon right here. It can also be called like screen mirroring or screencasting. If you don't have this icon right here or here, it will be probably in the additional icons. So you can open the quick panel on your phone and under 100% you will find it somewhere here. And then you can just drag the icon like that and it will appear on the first list. So we can go back and then tap on the screencast icon. After that you will find right here your Xiaomi smartphone, your Xiaomi TV. So we have to click once and tap to start now. As you can see right now, we easily cast screen of our phone to our Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. We can, for example, open maybe YouTube. And as you can see right now, we can browse the screen of our smartphone straight to the TV. Okay, it looks like we got here some kind of the ghost touching. That's interesting, never mind, just turn it off. So yeah, that's how you can cast screen of your phone to your Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.